VXN News brings you an exclusive look inside the United States-led Civil Military Coordination Center in southern Israel, a critical hub as regional tensions continue to escalate. Newly obtained footage shows the collaborative efforts underway to mitigate the impact of ongoing conflicts on civilian populations. The center, established to foster communication and cooperation between military forces and humanitarian organizations, has seen a surge in activity as the conflict intensifies, raising concerns about the safety and well-being of vulnerable communities. Our correspondent reports that the center plays a vital role in coordinating aid delivery, managing refugee flows, and de-escalating potential flashpoints between conflicting parties. With regional powers increasingly involved, the humanitarian situation is becoming increasingly dire, and the Coordination Center is working diligently to address the needs of displaced people, provide medical assistance, and ensure access to essential resources like water and food. The stability of the entire region remains uncertain, and this facility will be at the forefront of these international efforts to address these immediate humanitarian crises. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
Countries, and you can see on their shoulders the flags. Countries, and you can see on their shoulders the flags.